As you move along the trail in Waterfront Park, you will notice stunning native wildflowers, trees, and plants. The City of Palm Coast is dedicated to using native plants in our parks instead of exotic species. It helps preserve Florida's natural heritage, conserve water, and create habitats that support Florida's unique ecosystems. No matter the season on the trail, Florida native plants are blooming. In spring and summer, you will see passion vines, Spanish needle, blanket flower, coreopsis, and Florida paintbrush. In fall and winter, goldenrod, cardinal flower, necklace pod, and Carolina jessamine. Equally as beautiful, native trees add much to the Florida landscape. Along the trail are majestic live oaks, magnolias, and southern red cedars. If you look across the intercoastal, you may notice dead standing trees. These trees actually play an important role in the Florida landscape. Known as snags, they provide a perching spot for birds of prey, such as eagles, hawks, and osprey. The birds utilize the snag to get a clear vantage point of their feeding grounds and to keep an eye out for potential predators that may attack their nests. These dead trees also contribute to the circle of life. By leaving them to decay naturally, they add the vital nutrients back into the soil. As you'll notice while enjoying Waterfront Park, using Florida native plants attracts captivating wildlife. Butterflies like Gulf fritillary, zebra longwing, monarch, and Julias can be found all along the trail. Butterflies are one of many pollinators that thrive in Waterfront Park. Pollinators are essential to the survival of many native plants and ecosystems. Pollination is defined as the process of moving pollen or genetic material from one flowering plant to another. This transfer of DNA leads to the creation of seeds and fruit in flowering plants and provides genetic diversity. More than 80% of flowering plants require pollinators. Without them, we could lose foods like almonds, apples, avocados, bananas, chocolate, coffee, and more. Florida's three major pollinators are insects, birds, and bats. Insects are the most common and populous pollinators, visiting more plants overall. Bees, butterflies, wasps, ants, flies, moths, and beetles serve as major insect pollinators. Birds and bats, however, pollinate differently and can be more specialized in larger flowering plants that require more pollen and the transportation of seeds and fruits. Birds pollinate many of Florida's wildflowers while also transporting seeds. Bats pollinate nighttime flowering plants including mangoes, bananas, and guava, and often transport fruit. Pollinators are in decline due to human impact, mostly from the use of pesticides and habitat loss. You can help pollinators by mowing less, using fewer pesticides, and applying them less often, planting a variety of native plants in your garden, and varying your yard space by planting more than just grass. You can learn more by visiting the University of Florida IFAS Extension's Florida Friendly Landscaping Program, linked in the video description box. Keep a sharp eye on the trail and remember to give our friendly pollinators some space.